Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone. How are you all? How are you? Jimmy Singh, hello there. Jimmy Singh over there on TikTok, how are you? Good to see you all. A slight technical glitch there. That was a bit odd. We stopped and started twice, but never mind. We're here. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody into the live chat. If it's your very first time here, please do consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. There it is. If you're over there on TikTok, just swipe to the right. As you can see, we're live here on YouTube, and you can just come across. Hey, we're getting a crowd come in very quickly tonight. This is wonderful stuff. Everybody click the thumbs up, and we're going to go right over now to our live portfolio. We've had a good day, even though it's looking like down right now at the moment. Jimmy Singh, how are you? Come and join us here on YouTube. Okay, great stuff. Just swipe to the right and you can jump across. Okay. So let's have a look. Today I am up 1.03%. Let's bring everybody in. We got Kenneth, we got Sam. Oh, what a great crowd to start off with. Everybody's there. Been a great day. Look, I'm up 1% today from this morning, so I'm very, very pleased with that. If it's your first time here, give us a subscribe. And everybody, let's hit the smash the like button. We were so close this morning to a record. If Alicia and Patricia from Italy had been here, we would have equaled our 17 like record this morning. So we're very, very close. There we go. We're growing all the time. And let's have a look where we're starting off the show right now. 713 subscribers. We gained another 13 today. Let's see how we end up by the end of this show. All right. Good stuff. Right. What a day it's been. Started off really, really low. All sorts going on. And everyone's talking about this correction. We had a big dip this morning, but a lot of things have recovered. How are your stocks? Great, 11 already, which means the crowd's all here. Very, very quick this morning. There we go, the crowd's here. Congratulations, we're off and running. We've got all the gang here. We've got Alicia, Patricia, and we've got Sam, Leah, Kenneth. Everyone's here. Tom, John, Jonathan Brunette. What a great start to the show. This is great. Okay, so what did Kenneth said? Kenneth is now known as Cyclops Ken. He's our analyst. He gives a lot of love to the show and supports us with technical analysis. And last week was our top trader of the week. Jimmy Singh has joined us. Hey, Jimmy Singh has come across from YouTube. Hey, Jimmy Singh. Hey, it's great. Let's all welcome a new member to the gang. This is wonderful stuff. Hey, Jimmy, if it's your very first time here, tell us where you're from. Click the subscribe and ring the bell. We go live every morning and every evening. Real trades, real people, real money. And it's a great community here to support everyone. Click the thumbs up. We're trying to get a record. Our record is 17 and we're already at 13. Jimmy Singh. Everyone welcome Jimmy Singh to the show. Where are you from, Jimmy? Thanks for coming across. Star Games over there on TikTok as well. Thank you very much indeed. All my friends on TikTok, swipe to the right, jump on YouTube, hit the links in the profile, and we're off to the races. Okay, welcome, Jimmy. Everyone's loving it. Let's give me a big round of applause. This is what we're about here. We live trade with real money and we take care of each other, all right? This is my live portfolio. I've grown this from 5,000 to 49,192 in 3 months. We were at 52 a couple of days ago. We've had a hard week. A lot's dropped off, but let's hope that continues recovering. Already put a like on the video. Fantastic. All right, let's look at all the shares. Let's from the UK. Jimmy, I'm from Cornwall, now based here in Texas. Thank you very much indeed, Jimmy, for joining us. Are you a trader? What is it you trade in? We've got a lot of traders here in the house, and they all share with you their trades. We tell you what's going on. Amazon's on sale right now. Down again. Johnson & Johnson is down again. Tesla is up. Good day today. Stars Games over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Apple is down. Bit of a sale today. Remember, these are all my top stocks. These are the ones you can forget about. Coca-Cola down today. Great option there because of the dividends. Disney's also down today. But look, my Virgin Galactic's up. The shares are doing good. Yeah, overall, we're doing good. Good luck, Jimmy. He's from the UK. What a great crowd. We've got 13 likes now. Has everybody smashed the like button? We're very close. We're straight off. This is a very hot crowd today. Mr. Love is loving it. All right. Praying to God I can recoup some losses. Yes. Let's have a look. Ford is up today, nearly 1%. Microsoft, that's pretty flat. But look at my Carnival, 2.5%. I've gained $192 today. Rolls-Royce still up, holding up, now up 13%. Walmart dropped back a bit this morning. Today, Builder is down a little bit. Harpoon Therapeutics, can you believe it? On the down days, the crazy stocks all are up. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? All right. Clear Secure, great. Got in on the IPO with this one. This is up. Hi, sir. Any stock to buy? Jimmy Singh wants to know, any stock to buy? Yeah, I'll give you a few tips that we're all doing here right now. Jimmy, hold on a second. Robinhood is up today. Absolutely great. Ocugen is pretty flat. Bitcoin is just down slightly on the day. Down in the last hour, but again, it's pretty flat over the week. But look, over the month we're up 42%. I'm okay with Bitcoin. So Jimmy, you're saying what would you buy? Well, remember, we're not financial advisors. We are real people, just like you, regular guys saving for our future. Hi, Bainan Hussein. Swipe to the right. Join us here on YouTube. How to join YouTube? Jimmy said you're already here. Swipe to the right, you managed to do it. Good man. Okay, so Bayan Hussein, just swipe to the right and you'll see my link in the profile. Right, well, remember, we're not financial advisors, but we are all, this is my real money, what I'm really trading with. This is live trading. This is what I'm doing. At the moment, my best stocks, always the best stocks, are Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Apple, and Coke. They're all on sale right now. So if you're looking for a long-term future with some dividends here and long-term growth, steady, reliable, these stocks are all down at the moment. They're on sale, so you can go back a few months and get into that. So that's what I would be doing. That's what I am doing. I'm a great believer in Bitcoin. I believe this will be 100,000 by the end of the year. So that's what I've got. Look, as you can see, $9,000 of my own money invested in Bitcoin. Also believe in it. Jonathan, let's bring up some comments. Jimmy Singh, there you are. Your comments on the screen. Okay. What about Jonathan Brunette? Also, you should never you should never take stock. Yep, you should never take stocks tips from anyone. That's right. We're here just to share with you our opinions on what we're doing, but you should always do your own due diligence, your own research. You can copy us if you want to. That's up to you, but always do your own thing. So lose some money. So Jonathan says, but I'm watching Nvidia and Hood for a quick cash now. So lose some money with me. There you go. If you want to watch, if you want to follow. If you want to follow Jonathan, me and Jonathan have a slightly different approach. Jonathan is very aggressive with his buys and sells, very quick. I tend to stick with what I know. I do day trading, but I tend to stick with what I know and a bit more swing and long term as well. So, Martin, VIXI is spiking here at the end also. Let's have a look at it. VIXY, which remember, if VIXY is trending up, it would suggest the market is going down. That's what we've learned, and yes, it is. It's a big spike there. Nearly 4% up today. So, I mean, a lot of the market is down. I saw that too, Martin. Nice one. Crazy spike indeed. It's all happening there. Let me just go back into my main portfolio to keep an eye on everything. Right. Let's smash the like button, everybody. We're at 4. Has everybody done it? Has our new friend Jimmy Singh done it? Because we are so close. Oh, I want to get 17 today. I want to get 17. This is really exciting stuff. So I am happy today. My portfolio is now up 6.5%. Very, very happy with that. And who is winning today? Oh, Kofi is here. Kofi is here. Wonderful stuff. Right, I'm up now 1%, 0.97 on the day. Is anybody going to beat me today? Is anybody going to beat me today? Another spike there. We're watching ProShares. Has anybody got higher than that? Let's have a look. Patricia said yes, done. Patricia and Alicia, you need to go back and like the video from this morning because we could hit a record. You wasn't here this morning. You're busy over there in Italy. Go back and just like the video for this morning, the opening bell, and then would get a record for this morning as well. Hey, Kofi. Kofi is here. Kofi, you're looking at Hood with me, right? Let's look at Hood today. Hood is up 7% today, 34% now, 318. Kenneth is up 0.1. 0.1. Do you know what? This could be the second day in. This could be the second day in a row I win. Oh no, Kofi won this morning, right? Kofi up 3.33 today, thanks to Hood. I'm sorry about that. Yes, Kofi beat me this morning, right? Right at the last minute, he came in the last second and went, hang on a minute, I got more than you, and picked up 40 shares of Hood. Nice one, Jonathan. Nice one, Jonathan. Remember, when you buy shares, in something we've all got, we could all benefit if you buy enough. If anyone today buys 1 million shares of Hood, every one of us will benefit here. So if you've got a few $1 million kicking around, buy some Hood and then watch this spike up. If we get enough people watching the show, we could manipulate the market. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? But Bainan Hussein's over there on TikTok. Come and join us. Lovely to have you here. Keeping an eye on the ETF Pro shares. Just dropped back a little bit. Live on the day now. I'm up nearly 1%, but down in the last hour. I was up 2%, but the last hour, Amazon is down. Right, let's go and check some news. Twitter. Jack Dorsey is now mining Bitcoin. You know why, right? Did you hear the B word when he was on the B word with Elon Musk? He is going to put Bitcoin into Twitter. That's really, really big news for everybody. All right, so Bitcoin is, on the cusp of blowing up, thanks to Jack Dorsey there. Let's have a little read. He's doing some mining of his own. Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey tweeted that he is now mining Bitcoin. I had a little go at it, but I'm not very good at it. It's very expensive. Thank you very much. Very, very, very expensive to do. But anyway, let's have a look. We're at 14 likes now. 14 likes. Afro Trading is over there on TikTok. How are you? Swipe to the right, go into profile, and join Jimmy Singh from the UK who just joined us. Right, let's have a look. So let's continue reading this here. He's using Compass Mining, a service that sources and hosts powerful mining rigs at facilities around the world. Oh, I might look into that. Jack Dorsey, CEO of both Twitter and Square, has rapidly climbed the ranks of best-known Bitcoin and maximalists, that's the word, maximalists, in recent years, backing big Bitcoin-centric projects, espousing his love for the original cryptocurrency white paper, and even says he believes Bitcoin can bring about world peace. He loves it. Jack Dorsey, there you go. CEO of Twitter and Square, not a bad reference for Bitcoin right there. Good stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go big on that because I'm loving that. All right, let's have a look at it. Jonathan, what's your take on NVIDIA, up or down? Jonathan, if you could answer that. I'm not sure, but the earnings could make it jump and it should be good news. Is the market, though? Hi, Patricia. Hope you're trading as well. Target should not be dropping now. I know. What's going on with Target? Let's have a look. We can get some Target news. I knew some of you were going to ask me about that. Let's have a look at some final trades. Let's have a listen in.
What do you have?
Ford Motors down from 16 to 12.5. I think Ford's doing incredibly well. I also think they got all the chips they want from Taiwan Semi.
You love Farley.
I love Farley because Farley loves profit. And he loves race cars. And he loves to win. And he's not a loser. He says it's Ford versus Ferrari with that guy, believe me.
I'm no expert, but profits, they're good.
Yeah.
All right.
He's the prophet of profit.
Good stuff. Thanks for being here.
Oh,
Steph, final trade.
Yes. GXO Logistics, it's the XPO spin. It's one of the largest logistics and supply chain services companies worldwide. It's a play on e-commerce, outsourcing, and warehouse.
Final trades ideas. Always good to learn things from these videos, guys.
Okay.
Automation.
Had them
the total
loved them.
Addressable market is 400.
Had them on, Steph.
The total addressable market is I know, it's 430 billion total addressable market a year.
Carrie,
it's a good one.
Carrie, just give me a name, and then Joe a name.
Sales.
I just want to say, guys, we have more likes to our video than CNBC television does to this video. Check that. Boom. Do you know what? Let's give it one. We're growing. We got a community here. CNBC will need to be a guest on my show soon.
Force.
I'll rephrase that. Our show. This would not be a show without you. This is our show, right?
Ooh, seems happy. Joe?
I knew you'd like it.
Say it again, Joe.
Berkshire Hathaway.
Oh, Berkshire.
Berkshire
All right.
Hathaway.
Ford is going to... Let's have a look at Ford. Ford is going to 17. We're at 13 right now. That's a prediction. That's a prediction from Jonathan Brunette. Do you know what? I've got 100 shares in that with a nice little dividend. That's why I'm holding it. It's been pretty flat recently, but I've got a nice dividend which pays out. We got 15 likes now, guys. 15 likes. If everyone's going to smash the like button, we could break a record today. Love it. Right, Ford is going up. I'm only down 0.02, Martin. It's a tight race to the end today, even with Target, which will pop up over the next few days, I believe. I believe in that as well. Let's have a look at Target. We know Target has got such great opportunities. Yeah, I mean, why is it going down? It's just, this is on sale, guys. This is on sale. What an opportunity. I know Jonathan and Martin are going to be all over this because they're in and out of stuff all the time. Me, you know what I'm like. I'm a bit hanging on for things. But yeah, Target's got huge potential. So that's good. Let's have a look back at my thing. Right, on the day, I'm up 0.78. So it looks like I'm in Ford for 200 shares. Nice. Very, very good. We got some dividends coming then. I got 10 shares of Target. Nice. Newbie. Hey, Danny Wright. Everyone welcome Danny Wright into the show. Danny Wright, welcome. Danny Wright. Let's welcome Danny Wright with a big round of applause. This is the Day Trader Show. We're live here every morning and every evening. And we've got a community of real people sharing. Everyone give some love to Danny Wright, welcoming in. He's a new guy. Where you from, Danny? It looks like you're from the UK. I'm from Cornwall. Lovely welcome here. And we are real people sharing our real trades. This is my real money. And we've got technical analysis given to us by Kenneth and Jonathan and Martin. We all support each other. When we're down, we commiserate. When we're up, we congratulate. We share our trades so we learn from each other in an unbiased, real, genuine place. So, Danny, all I ask you to do, Danny, is give us a subscribe and ring the bell. But more importantly than that, give us a thumbs up. Tell YouTube we like the video because we want this video to get out there to YouTube because there are so many really bad financial channels that just try to sell stuff and rip people off and influence everything. We're here just to share. This is my real trade. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet. I'm a singer, actually, as some of you know. All right, there we go. My cat has 10 more. Welcome, Danny. Is Danny still here? He didn't respond to that. Let's see if Danny is still here. All right, we're at 15 likes. Danny Kent. Oh, he's here. All right, Danny, give us a thumbs up, mate. Make it 16 and we could be on a record. Kent, wonderful stuff. But new to this. Yeah, this is my actual portfolio. I started trading 3 months ago. I've grown $5,000 to 49. This portfolio was 52,000 last week, but we're having a bit of a dip. People are calling it a correction, and everyone here is sharing their trades with us all. This is my real money. All right, so if it goes down, you'll see me cry, right? It's never happened yet, but who knows? Amazon's on sale, guys. Look at this. Amazon is my top stock for the future. It's on sale right now. I'm down 4%. I keep buying dips. And I haven't even got a whole share yet. I've only got 0.37. Right, now, Danny from the UK, I can't offer you a free stock with Robinhood, I'm afraid, because Robinhood is only here in the UK, in the US. But I'm going to put it in the live chat, and Danny, all our links are below in the description below. Go below, and if anyone's here as a YouTuber or they want to promote a business, all my subscribers, I let you go below any of my videos and comment, share your links to your businesses, have a chat with each other, and I will post your links and promote them to the top and highlight them and stuff. So if you've got a YouTube channel or you want to promote something, please feel free to use this channel to help you, because you're helping me, so I want to help you, right? So there we go. Danny, if you want to join the Facebook page and Facebook group, that we post more information of the stocks we're trading. Kenneth is very active on that group and that page. He's always putting up great videos of what's going on. So there we go. There are the links right there. If anybody wants to support me and help me and use my link to go on to Amazon to buy anything, I get a small 1% commission when you do that. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel, and we appreciate it very much indeed. All right. You can just use my Amazon link to go onto Amazon and buy something. It doesn't cost you anything at all. Right, Amazon is down. Johnson & Johnson's down today. Tesla is up. Tesla's great. Tesla, I believe, will be $3,000 in 3 years. So that's one of my long-term plays. I'm not selling that. I'm not going to sell Apple. I'm not going to sell Johnson & Johnson. I'm not going to sell Amazon. None of that stuff. That's all for the future. All right? I'm not selling Coke. That's got my dividends. I'm not selling that. Virgin Galactic, good day today, but it will go back up again when that test flight comes. 15 likes now. Absolutely great. If you've just tuned in, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and give us a whacking great thumbs up. That really helps us. Okay, the end of the day in about 30 minutes or so, we'll find out who won the day. We'll monitor PFE for when it turns around. Thank you very much, Jonathan, who's live in the chat now. We got some more news. Let me go over to it. So here we go. Retail, the consumer. Let's have a listen to this one.
Right. So, Steph, I mean, why not Walmart? Why TJX so passionately and not as passionate as Jim is about a name like Walmart for such a tried and true value investor? And he says this thing is way too cheap.
I don't actually think 25 times forward earnings is cheap, number one. Number two, you have to learn about the personalities of stocks, right? Walmart.
I'm sorry, but
Walmart
why don't we just go Burlington? Have you been to a Burlington? I mean, have you honestly been there? I mean, it's a frightening place. I like the size up 30. It's 37 multiple. But stuff. I mean, like Burlington. I went to the one near Coney Island. I mean, it's like my wife says, "What are you doing here?" I mean, it's like a hand-me-down. It's like Goodwill. I like Goodwill.
So back to Walmart for a second.
Sorry for interrupting.
Walmart
I just had Jim's face was like, oh. He was like, oh.
Well, no. Well, Jim, we agree on so many other things.
What's going on with these here? They need me in the studio to work out their communication skills. They're all over the flipping place, aren't they?
So we can disagree or, be constructive on Walmart if you want to be. But this is what I'm telling you. It's 25 times is not cheap, number one. Number two, it's a consumer staple stock. It's actually considered a staple.
That really was rude. We just watched that. We just watched that live, didn't we, guys? That was. I'm glad Kenneth pointed that out. Right? They need to come onto my show, learn how to treat people, learn how to produce a show. And by the way, look, CNBC in the last video, we had more likes on our video as well.
And I think it's getting caught up in that, to be honest with you. Staples haven't done anything in a very long time.
I disagree.
So
remember, it's the largest grocer, and Kroger is a grocer. Look at those two. It's being kept up. The grocery business is on fire, Steph.
Well, the grocery business is on fire, but Jim, Walmart is actually they are such a behemoth in so many other different things. So,
I can't con anyone in this Walmart.
I just don't think it's a value.
Can you believe these people? The way to talk to each other. Oh my God, I can't believe what they're saying here. They're laughing at her. That's terrible live on TV. That's unbelievable disrespect. That's incredible. No idea whether they just think she's a blonde woman and they're just going to be rude. I mean, what the heck is going on here?
If it were to pull back and I could get comfortable with earnings and it gets down to 18 times, why I like TJ is, A, it has totally disappointed in the last year. It's done nothing. It's flat year to date. And that is because even though sales have been better than expected, margins have been under enormous pressure because of COVID, right? So now, if you think that, and if Dr. Gottlieb thinks that Delta is peaking this weekend, well, guess what? This is a reopened name. People want the treasure hunt in the...
I understand what she's saying, and I like Ken's comment on the screen. He said, and she's right. Stocks have personalities, so to speak, and Real assertions are spot on. People are riveted to the screen now. Absolutely, this is what it is. This is what it is. You're dead right.
The Marmaxes, home goods. Oh my goodness! I mean, the numbers were. I mean, the open store only in home goods up 36% comp.
Right, and they use the word phenomenal.
So I think that there's. So my point is, I say this a lot, operating leverage, right? I mean, when you have top line doing well and you have margins actually starting to improve and can recover, that to me is an inflection point, and that's what's happening with TJ. And oh, by the way, I don't think it's just TJ. I do think it's Ross.
Want to welcome Quality Hill 89 over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. If you swipe to the right, you will then come directly over to my profile and you'll see the YouTube link and you can be here live on the show. Just come across on my YouTube show. Just swipe across and you'll be there.
And as in Burlington as well. I think that off-price retailers are taking massive amounts of share. This company, it opened down today, which was silly.
Yeah.
So I think you want to be buying TJ all day long because I think the earnings are at a trough. And so it looks expensive, but as margins improve, earnings go higher, and then it's not nearly as expensive, especially for, again, a reopened name.
Carrie, you have something on Walmart, I'm told?
Yeah,
I'd like to hear this.
I think, as Jim knows, everyone at Fidelity is a fundamental analyst, but a technician wannabe. And if you look at that Walmart chart going back to last December, it really looks like a U shape that can break out. I mean, it has a very, very good-looking chart, and they can both go up. You know, we don't own Walmart, but you look at TJX, it looks good, and Walmart.
All right, so
there you go. Wow, what was that all about? But you know what? It's absolutely true. Someone came onto my someone commented today, and I encourage all of you guys to go below the videos once they've aired, because once they've aired, you can leave comments below, and I want all of you to comment below and put links to your businesses, whatever you want to promote and talk about, please do. But we get some people come in and have a right old go. I had one guy come in this morning and say, who are you to talk on YouTube and have a financial channel, blah, 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 blah. And it was great because he was really criticising me, and I just said, we're here, we're a positive crowd, we're all to support each other, no one's an expert, we're just doing our thing. And he went backwards and forwards with his comments, and it was all good. Remember, engagement on my channel is everything. This guy was trying to damage my channel, and of course he was watching, commenting, and down-liking, and it was brilliant. I just kept him going, chatting with me all afternoon. Really, really good. I love it. I love it. Really, really good. So we got some more news as well I want to share with you. Let's have a look here. This is a little bit just for you right now. Here we go. Snatch Quatch. Is that Snatch's Quatch over there on TikTok? If you swipe to the right, go into my profile, you'll see the YouTube link. Come and join us live here.
It is the big question. Are we on the cusp of a substantial correction or not? You look at what happened yesterday. We had Jonathan Krinsky on. We like to track him.
So what do you think? Are we on the edge of a correction? I thought we had a bit of a correction this morning, right?
Because he knows the technicals as well as anybody, okay? He said he thinks we might be, and not to buy the dip. Let's listen to what he said, and I want your reaction.
There we go. Oh, lovely. Just got a like to the host. Thank you so much indeed. Snatch, where are you from? We got a wonderful, supportive Snatch Quatch over there on TikTok right now. If you want to see the full production, he's laughing at my production because he's got the back of my head, but he can't actually see the whole show. If you swipe to the right, come over on YouTube, you'll learn all about it. Just send some likes. I really appreciate that. Snatch, Iowa. Hey, we got a lot of Americans here in the YouTube chat. Just swipe to the right. Swipe to the right, go to my profile, hit the YouTube link, jump across. We got some great guys from all over the US here chatting in the chat. And we'd love to get to meet you and share with you our live trades, what we've got money and what we're doing. Come and join us, Snatch. I'd love to know more about you, mate.
Action on the other side. Here's Krinsky yesterday with us.
This is my live portfolio. You can't see that, but right now it's on the screen. If you switch across, you'll see what I've got $49,000 invested in. You can come and see. Let's hear Jonathan Krinsky.
We're seeing the weak areas of the market remain weak and even get weaker. So we're talking about the K-Web, China Tech, the ARC funds, the SPAC. So those are areas of the market that, typically have seen decent rotation.
Ryan Carter. Hello, Ryan Carter. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To the back of my head, if you want to the front of the show, swipe to the right on YouTube. Oh, there's Jimmy Linden as well. Jimmy Linden, swipe to the right, guys, into my profile and jump on my YouTube link. Great to have you here. Give us a like and a thumbs up. We really appreciate your live support here on the Day Trader.
Throughout the year, but the last few weeks and even the last couple of months, really, they're just not responding to the upside like they have in the past.
Is that an issue? Small caps, he points out, have been weak. The semis, and we'll go through some of the data. What do you think?
The semi's making a stand here, I think, and NVIDIA obviously now the most important semi, and we'll hear from them. Taiwan semi, by the way, not in America, it is now the largest Asian company. Look, there's this guy. He works for Illumina and Pfizer.
That
It's not really an analyst.
Dr. Gottlieb.
But he's talking about a peak in Delta.
What do you guys think about all of this? Do you see this as a thing? I don't know. For me, I'm not so sure, this thing about a correction. Could someone explain to me exactly, the bell, there we go, I missed it again. The bell has gone. We got to do something about this. There's some way that Ken's going to have to ring me up and say, Martin, you're missing the bell again. Anyway, let me just pop my chat out of here a minute. Let me just pop that chat out. There we go. Get rid of that. And now there we go. That's better. And now I can zoom it in there. That's better. Let's go back to my main portfolio a minute, because I want to change the screen and do something a little bit different here just for a second. All right, okay, there we go. Right, so if you've just tuned in this afternoon, welcome, 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 everybody. We're having a real great day here. We're at 15 likes now, and we're having a good day because our stocks are up, our friends are all in the house, and life is good in the hood. Oh, Elvis has just joined us over there on TikTok. Swipe across to the right, my friend, and join us here on YouTube. The link is in the profile. All right, let's go back to that. I'm quite interested to hear what he has to say about this.
About DAL. And I want to know, you want to be short, a big short, ahead of a peak? How?
Elvis, 1988. Lovely to have you here. Let's have a little check. Now the market's closed, what VIX is doing. VIX is still up. Look at that. VIX is up. The portfolio is now, I am now 0.5% up on the day. Okay, but I'm down. In the last hour, we've seen a bit of a drop. So let's have a look. Amazon is going further down. Johnson & Johnson is going down. Tesla is up but holding. Apple is going down. Coke is down. Disney is down. What a day. But Virgin Galactic is up and it's just holding there. Ford, let's have a look at Ford. Ford's been up but just hovering. We got a slight upturn there on the bell. Microsoft taking a bit of a dive. Carnival up. Kenneth is down 1.37. I see the mandates is more a factor, Martin is saying. Right, on the day then, I am up 0.51. Let's have a look. Snatch is over there. Iowa. Did he come across to YouTube? I don't know if he did. I didn't see him pop up in the chat. Am I winning again? I bet Kofi is winning, right? Let's have a look at what Kofi's doing. I bet Kofi's going to win the day. He's got lots of hood.
How right, as opposed to the CDC and the FDA, has Dr. Scott Gottlieb been? I think that if you came in short ahead of a peak of Delta, you're going to be wished that you were.
Have we got any short traders here? Anyone who likes to short the stock? I hate it. I'd never do it, because to me that's predicting the future too much. I never ever do that. I never do shorting or puts or anything like that. I just think predicting the future is too much of a risk for me.
On the wing of Delta in that famous twilight zone, hanging on by your fingernails. So I don't want to short it here. I want to buy the dip because I bet on Gottlieb, who, by the way, is on the boards of Pfizer and Illumina. Because you have to say that, apparently.
He does, and for good reason. So you like Tom Lee, then. We still want to, quote-unquote, lean in on this weakness even harder after Tuesday's sell-off. UBS says we believe...
Jonathan says, what do you think going long is? LOL. Well, not really. Not really, is it? Come on, Kenneth. Martin's down 0.28. So I am winning unless Kofi's going to come in and steal my crown again, like he did this morning.
Upside remains for the markets. They think cyclical parts of the market, including energy and financials, are likely to
up 0.276. There it is. He takes it again.
lead the next leg of the rally.
Well, I'm not sure about energy because there are secondary issues there. One,
don't buy this dip. Why would you not buy a dip?
is OPEC Plus not so good, but I still think people have to be thinking about Venezuela. If they come back online, you really don't want to. You do not want to own oil. Maybe Tom Lee's piece is being referred as buy anything in the world, including the kitchen sink, and it doesn't seem fair to me.
Mr. Everything Rally.
Well, I know, but
We still want to lean on this weakness even harder after Tuesday's sell-off. Bottom line, our central case is full of risk on into year end.
does he really want that? I mean, I got Mr.
Hood just fell. Let's have a look. Let's go back and have a look. Hood just fell. Oh, yes, there we go. Oops, right. Let's have a look. Let's go over to the chart and have a look at that. Oh, yeah, there we go. Bit of a sell-off there. Reasonable volume, but then come back in again. Okay, someone decided to get out. Rangulo, is that Rango? Rango, hello, welcome to the back of my head. If you want to see the front of my head and what we're doing on the screens here, jump onto YouTube. Just swipe across to the right into the profile and click on the YouTube link and join our happy crowd from all over the world as we trade live with our real money. There we go. That'll hit Kofi a little bit. Let's carry on with the news and then let's see see how that affects Kofi. I might end up with a win today. Who knows?
Wonderful. Now I got Mr. Everything. I got too many misters.
Steph, what do you think about this notion of being on the cusp of a correction? Krinsky says, don't buy the dip. It was a power.
Oscar X70. Hello, Oscar X70. Where are you from? Love to know where you're from. And come and join us on YouTube. Swipe to the right. What did Martin say there? Because there is a bigger dip coming. It's coming back. It was a stop-loss raid. All right, let's have a look at it. Let's not lose sight of what's... Oh, and there it is again. There it is again. Let's go over to that. This will hurt Kofi. Let's have a look. It's not showing here yet on the... you can see there's some selling, some buying. A big sell there. Just before that buy. Let me check it, see what we're doing. Keep an eye on it. I'm still up 30%. Not going anywhere with that long term. Long term on that one. Let's go back to this story.
Powerful note that was out yesterday, and the market seemed to go weaker on it when he came on to discuss it. But then you have the Tom Lees and the UBSs of the world and others, and Jim, who's defending this market.
Yeah, and I'm defending the market as well, and I have been for a while. And I point to the liquidity and how much there still is in the system. I know it's not as much as it was, but it's a lot. Excuse me, it's a lot.
Martin, what do you said that there's a bigger dip coming in what? What do you think is going to dip more, Robinhood or the general market?
And we're getting more, likely, in terms of the infrastructure bill. I don't know the size of that, but we're getting more. The Fed is not going to do anything other than talk about tapering, and then maybe they taper, but they're not going to be increasing rates. So rates probably stay around 1.5%, 2%. That's really positive for corporations. That's really positive for the consumer. We've got to get through Delta. And we will. I have no idea the timing of that, but we will. And yes, Dr. Scott.
Yes, we will. I think this is an opportunity for all to improve their financial positions. Totally agree with that.
Scott Gottlieb is the person that I pay attention to, but
Some
I
say
also
it's
look
this
at
weekend.
the UK trend.
Some say it could peak this
Well,
weekend.
I know some. Well, you know what? My portfolio is all about Delta peaking, quite frankly, right? I don't know the timing of that, though. I can just speak to the stocks getting hammered in terms of the reopen names. And so that's where I find the most value, quite frankly, in the market. But we have to get through Delta first. Then we have to get through seasonality, because August and September are really crummy months for the markets. So we've got to make a shopping list. And as I say, the reopen names are the ones I like. Why do I really want to stay involved? Not only is it liquidity, but it's the economy is actually fine. It's strong, both consumer and manufacturing, and earnings are strong.
Okay.
They're not going to be as strong, but it's going to stay elevated and above trend.
But Jim, I do think it is.
Martin just said, this is interesting, a bit scary though. We've got some scary news coming from Martin now. Martin has said, general market 5 to 7% correction. I have cash on the side to take advantage of that. You would be stealing, wouldn't you, if you could get a 7% correction? Can someone tell me their opinion why and where this came from? What is a correction exactly? Would someone explain that to me? What is a correction? Why does the market have to have a correction? Why does that even exist? The markets are doing what they're doing. The businesses are doing what they're doing. Yes, we go down for COVID and, business is affected and what people are spending and so on and so forth and the performances and the sales and blah, blah, blah. But why does there have to be some global correction to everything on the market? Why is that? Where does that come from? And what is the point of it? I would love someone to explain that to me because it just seems, I mean, how can all shares suddenly just drop because of a universal thing? I'd love to know. Love to know what everyone thinks. If you're just tuned into the show, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Give us a subscribe, ring the bell. We're 2 likes away from getting a record. 17 is a record. Give us a like, thumbs up the video. It just helps us grow. And what it does, it gets more people to see the video. So we get more people coming into the live chat, sharing their opinions and their ideas of what to invest in. So it helps everyone. And we want to continue to grow and bring everyone value and support more and more people with our channel. So there we go. Give us a thumbs up. See if we can get to 17 today. All right, let's have a look. This is what Martin says. Because the stock price is overinflated compared to the company's performance. But who decides that? Who decides that? I mean, Tesla is an example of that, but it will grow into its price, right? Because the company, it's got a huge fan base. Everybody loves it, so that the market is overvalued. I get it, but it will grow into its value. Why does it have to have its price corrected? And who corrects it? Who decides that everyone's price goes down? Because the stock price is overinflated compared to the company's performance. He also says, multiply that by thousands of stocks. I get it, but who's making that correction? Who is making it? Who's making everyone's share price across the whole universe come down? How is that happening? People get too confident. They build prices up past the value. Liquidity drops. Corrections pull things back to the market, so the market doesn't crash from its own ignorance. That's a good way of putting it. It makes sense. It totally makes sense. Otherwise, I guess the markets would just go up and up and up and up and up, and we'd have like every share would be $1 million, and it would be like ridiculous. I get it. It would be a pointless thing. But who is it, and what is it that physically makes everyone's share drop? I mean, is there something that is just dumped on everyone's stock so it just drops? I mean, what if you're the CEO of a company and you go, I don't want my price to be corrected. We're perfectly happy with our price, but it just does. How does that actually happen so everyone's price actually drops? I'd like to know. Companies are traded on multipliers of value. The value is somewhat arbitrary. Correct, I agree with that. Right, so people follow the mass, yes. The market makers. All right, so the market makers are a bunch of people that decide on our behalf. Hello, Sadia over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right, jump on the YouTube channel. The profile is in the link. Herd mentality. Herd mentality, once it starts, it gets out before a crash. Okay. Market makers regulate. Do you know, the more and more I learn, the more nonsense it is. The more and more I learn, it's like the Wolf of Wall Street. He said it's all Shikazi or whatever it's called. It's all for Shikazi, or butterflies flying around. It is. A lot of it is nonsense. The fundamentals of the companies that do stuff, make things, build things, provide services is real. But all of the hype around stuff is just absolute nonsense half the time. It's crazy. Fugazi. That's it. That's the word I was looking for. That's like the tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding dong, bing bong, tinging its way up the tube. That was a precious moment there the other day. Did you all see that? Did you all see that when Jonathan Brunette sent in the link to Ricky Gervais's "It's tinging its way up the tube"? Oh, that was so bloody funny. If you've got that link again, Jonathan, send it to me again. I want to do the ting dong bing bong tinging its way up the tube. That's pretty much the way the stock market works, right? Market makers regulate the price. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, I honestly watched a video the other day and it said 100 monkeys randomly picking stocks do as well. It's been proven as hedge funders. What is that all about? You know, what a world we live in, right? AKA fake diamonds. Yeah. Yep. Market makers. Let's have a look. So, if the market makers can't supply liquidity in sufficient amounts, they have to short their own shares to feed the ducks, and that puts them in a bad position. To feed the ducks. There we go. We got to feed the ducks. Give them some bread. I can't believe it. I can't believe this is what I do to give myself a future and a pension. Nuts. The world is crazy, but we love it, right? Right, here we go. We've got some entertainment coming your way now. We've got some entertainment coming your way, and we're going to enjoy this. Hang on a minute. Let me... This is especially from Jonathan, right? You ready? Ready for some fun? Here we go. It's tinging its way up the tube.
When was the last time you reminisced?
Well, my mum and dad have been round, haven't they? So been reminiscing a lot.
Yeah.
What were you thinking about?
We're just chatting about Tic Tacs.
One of the great memories, yeah. We're having memories.
Now, I used to love them
Yeah.
when I was younger.
Yeah.
My dad got a load of them.
You ready for this? Get ready, guys.
What, this year?
No,
Just recently?
years ago.
Right.
Years ago when I loved them. I said I loved Tic Tacs, me.
Yeah.
I want you to be singing along when you're back at your house, wherever you are, right? When we get to it.
He met one of his mates.
You didn't nick him from the sweet shop?
No,
that's not what
he
you
knew
did,
some mate who could get his hand on a load.
Right.
And he must have
He was
got
a thief.
he must have got about 30 crates of Tic Tacs.
30 crates of Tic Tacs?
Honestly.
30 crates of Tic Tacs. Ready? Here we're about to come there now.
We'd have about 24 on each crate. We got them, stuck them in a cupboard under the just in the kitchen in the corner.
Yeah.
Now, I worked my way through about 6 crates.
This is Ricky Gervais, right? And my mate Carl Pilkington.
I was quite happy.
In how long?
I don't know, in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks or something.
Right.
And then after that, I'm getting sick of these.
Right.
Yeah. You were minty.
Yeah, this is what happens when you eat a million Tic Tacs. Where's let me plan and take advantage of others' fear if a company is strong and it's time to buy when the correction settles down. But that time keeps getting shorter from correction to recovery. It does. Laugh out loud, Ken, but true. Tic Tac. Oh God. Okay, here we go.
Fresh, but
Yo,
you're sick.
lovely fresh breath.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, I haven't got that much more to tell you about it. It's just...
So this, sorry, whoa. Bear in mind, this was something he was recently reminiscing with his parents about. They were sat around, and we've already learned up to an hour could go by reminiscing. Sat around for an hour, talking about the
I've
great
already
Tic
run
Tac
out of
saga.
responses.
We will come back to the money in a minute, all right? I haven't forgotten we're a financial channel making money here.
I've got nothing to say about
No
that.
opinion.
I mean, I was nearly going to say, what do you do with the empty little flicky Tic Tac boxes?
Yeah, but then you realise that that's utterly dull and boring.
Well,
and not of any
I
interest.
was struggling. I don't know what this anecdote is, other than a bloke. Other than you said your dad, I like Tic Tacs, mate. He went, all right, I talked to Albert. Albert, you got Tic Tacs? I've got 30 crates, if that'll do, yeah? Yeah, I'll bring him round. Put him under cupboard. He's got through 12 crates. What's his breath like? Fucking lovely, but he's been sick all over the cunting place.
Oh dear, I apologise for the swearing, folks. I apologise. I hope my channel doesn't get banned for that. Oh my God.
No, of course we fucking don't. You'll talk about that in a few years' time. Of course we will for about a fucking hour. And then we bring it up in an audio book.
But I think that's how we got onto it, because even though I'd try to get rid of a load. I used to give them
Stand by for the it's a standby for the song.
to mates, take them to school, say, have some Tic Tacs.
Yeah.
You can have them for free. We used a load in the cat litter tray.
No,
we
you
did.
didn't.
We did. It
No,
was
you
just
didn't.
ways of getting rid of them.
Jesus Christ.
Sort of freshy smell, isn't it?
Can you believe this is happening?
It's the same
amazing.
sort of condensity in that, isn't it?
Condensity. It is the same condensity.
Yeah, so I got rid of them like that. And then the weird thing was, even though I'd got shut of them all, you'd be backing up and you'd always hear one ting its way up the tube.
It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding tong, ping pong. It's tinging its way up the tube.
Oh dear, there we go. Thank you ever so much for that, Jonathan, and that makes us feel a hell of a lot better. Harris Nuri's over there, and Snatch over there on TikTok. All my friends over there on TikTok. We're live here on YouTube. Just swipe to the right, go to my profile, and come and join us. Look, right now you've got the back of my head, but if you want to see the show properly and see what we're doing, come over and join us. Right, NVDA is dropping. Let's have a look. NVDA is dropping. NVIDIA, let's have a look. Whoa, what a drop that is. Anybody got shares in that? I think a couple of you have, right? Wow, that's quite a drop. In the after hours, 2.25%. I hope none of you are in that one. But if you are, I used to have shares in that. One's Villa, hello there over on TikTok. Swipe to the right, join us here on YouTube. All right. Hey, we got some people just joining us on YouTube. Thank you so much indeed. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We got 2 away from an all-time record. We just want 2 more and we'll match our record, 17. Great stuff. Wow, Nvidia's dropping. Let's go back to the main thing. I need to revise my losses for the day, Martin. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, I'm up 0.27. I think, let's look at Robinhood. That's still going down. It's between me and Kofi. And remember, Kofi is a teacher. So thank you, Kofi, for all what you do. Me too. Patricia said me too. Me too what? What's going on with me too? Patricia, everyone's saying me too. Hood down. Hood's going down, everybody. There we go. I'm down. I'm up 26%. But we're taking quite a dip. Let's have a look at the chart. Oh, a huge sell-off. There we go. Look at that. Look at the candle there, folks. A huge sell-off of Hood going on. So that's interesting. That's affecting my portfolio. You can see, look, there's been a big drop in the last few minutes. But overall, we're still up nearly 6%. I'm okay with it. But now I'm down on the day. No, I'm not. I'm up 0.27. Up 0.27. Read before. I love this video. Oh, brilliant. Okay. We're just down to the last 6 minutes of the show. And let's see. Kofi, I do. Yes. Are you ahead, Kofi? Are you up? So far, I am on plus 0.27. Oh, we got a breaking bit of information here from Jonathan. Let's open that one in a tab. Let's have a look at it. Robinhood's revenue more than doubles. Okay, here we go. Of course, we're now reporting on Robinhood. Right, let's go to Hood. I forgot it's the 18th. How could I forget that? Robinhood, here we go. It's available today after hours. Okay, we're about to come out. Estimated down 0.15. What is it going to be? We haven't released it yet. Okay, we've got some breaking news for you. Let's bring this into the show. This is huge news. We need to cover it. Robinhood's revenue more than doubles to 565 million last quarter on a huge surge in cryptocurrency. But where are we going to be? Where are we going to be in a minute? We are waiting for that report to come out. If you look at Hood right now, let me get rid of all that. We don't want any of that on the screen. Get rid of that. So Robinhood's revenue more than doubled in the second quarter. So, of course, we are about to get an earnings report review earnings call, preview earnings call. It's going to be coming in the after hours. So anytime now, we are going to get an earnings call for Robinhood. This is big news. This is what it looks like. I could then be in on that earnings call, but I'm not going to be. That wouldn't broadcast very well. But we're waiting to hear. Available today after hours. I linked to it. Okay, we could click on that there. It'd be interesting to see. We get a live call. Let's put my name in there. Martyn, submit. Let's have a look. Here we go. Here's the earning call. Very nice. When they start, we'll have a little look into that. But right now, there's a bit of music. We could cover that, but we're going to be out of time, though. So we're not going to have time to cover that today. But that is going to be interesting. Now, I don't expect their earnings to be... I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I have no idea what to expect from this. But there we are. We're just waiting for that to come in. I don't want to play the music because I'll get flagged and flogged probably for copyright. Okay, so we'll see what happens with that one. Pro shares are going up, which would indicate more dropping. Let's go back to the live position. Yeah, big sell-offs. Where's it coming from? It's coming from Amazon is down, Johnson & Johnson down, Tesla's now moving down. We're all moving down. Should we just say the word down across for everything? Zara over there on TikTok, thank you much indeed. Right, 15 likes. Does everyone like the video? Give me a thumbs up. Let's get a record. 2 away from a record. 17 is the record. That'll be great. Ford is dropping down now. Microsoft on the way down. Carnival on the way down. Rolls-Royce holding, though. Walmart going down. Builder going down. Harpoon is up. Okay, I can live with that. Clear Secure holding. So Robinhood is dropping off. So this will be interesting to see what happens. This will be really, really interesting. I wonder if we can get in on this. No, still playing music. Any minute now, we will get an earnings report from Robinhood. I'm afraid I won't be able to cover it, though. Won't be able to be here for that. But we'll keep our eye on it as much as we can. I'm sure you'll all be watching it. Oh, look, big sell-offs. Big sell-offs on Robinhood. Let's have a look. Is it going to be a big drop and then we're all going to buy? Look at this. Big candlesticks. Jonathan, what's your buy-in price on Hood? Mine is... What is mine? My average on Hood is... My average is 37.33. NVDC earnings news as well. We've got earnings news coming out. We're out of time, folks. Yeah, we're out of time. Let me see if I can see what this means here for Jonathan. Opening a new tab. Let's bring it into the show. Nvidia. Me Too was... we'll go back to the TikTok video again. Alicia likes that. Let's have a look. Nvidia Q2 jumped 68% on strength of gaming and data center businesses. Nvidia is looking up. There we go. This is your earnings report. Revenue 6.5 billion versus 6.33 billion expected. That's great. $1.04 versus 1.01 expected data. Wonderful stuff. Good news. Good news for Nvidia. Good news for Nvidia coming in right now. Let's go back to the main portfolio. And welcome Haruk over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let's keep an eye on Robinhood. It's all going to be kicking off. Robinhood diving down now. Yeah, 49.81 for me. But didn't think it would do this until a bit later. Right. Still playing the music. Stop playing the music and Play the music. Let's hear from Robinhood. I'm afraid we're out of time. We will stick with it just for a few more minutes though, if we can, because I'd like to catch it. Yes, Nvidia back up. Yes, Nvidia. Let's have a look at it. Nvidia. Let's take a look. Think it will work this time. Hood. Still playing music, So what we'll do is we'll go over to this bit of information. I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'll try and stick with you guys a little bit longer because I want to watch this breaking news.
Target, which I know was selling off despite some pretty solid numbers this morning.
Yeah, Morgan, great to be here. We are encouraged by Target's results. What's really happening is consumers are coming back to stores. So overall comps were better at 8.9% than expected, and traffic was a big factor. That was up about 12.7%. So the story for retail is bricks plus clicks, these digital and physical offerings. But now consumers are coming back to stores too. So it's a lot about bricks and reusing stores as hubs and fulfillment centers as well as the environment continues to evolve. Both Walmart and Target had really,
Go ahead.
Oh, they both had very solid prints. The consumer's in a good position based on what we're seeing. The consumer is also going out again. So categories like apparel and other categories are really working as consumers look to experience things with other people and dress up again.
Yeah. You know, this headline, I think it was from the Times yesterday, that Amazon eclipsed Walmart to become the largest retail seller outside of China, which highlights the shift to online shopping. Nonetheless, we are seeing, for example, with Target this morning, the growth in e-commerce is slowing, to your point, as more people leave their homes and go out and actually shop in stores.
Okay, we got some information there. Robinhood's conference isn't supposed to happen until 4 p.m. Central, so we are 28 minutes away. Yeah, so we're not going to be able to cover that. So sadly, we won't know. But wow, we are in for a morning. So all join us tomorrow morning. I am expecting a explosive morning. Robinhood is either going to shoot up or shoot down. I don't expect it to be just sitting in the middle. I think we're going to get quite a pop one way or the other. So who knows? I'm up 23%, $200 profit. Do I sell? Put $1,000 and then wait for it to drop? We're dropping right now. Or do I hold? I'm going to hold, and that's it for me. I'm confident with that. I like what Robinhood is doing. Oh, 2 Corinthians, hello, good morning. Let me give you a wave. Hiya. If you want to join in the show, meet all our friends, swipe to the right and join us here on YouTube. All right, great stuff. Okay, guys, I've got to get ready for my afternoon show. Remember, I'm not here Friday for the opening bell, but I will be back for the closing bell on Friday. I'm here tomorrow. Both shows, as always, just Friday morning bell. I won't be around. I'm helping out the Lions Club do a fundraiser, so I can't be there Friday morning, just so you all know. I might put a video up so you can all watch a video instead. All right. Okay, great stuff. Well, let's have a look. So, Kofi, are you the winner? Let me have a look on my portfolio. Let's see if is Kofi the winner. I am up today 0.17. Kofi, are you the winner? Let us know right now before we go off air, and we're ready to give you a congratulations if it is you. I want to thank everyone for tuning in today. 15 is a great number, really, really great. We're climbing every day. Well, Kofi sends his figures across. Let's have a look. Let's see if the YouTube channel grew. We started the show at 713. Remember, we're trying to get to 1,000. 713. We are now, let's refresh the screen, and we are 716. There we go. We've gained 3 all the way. We're trying to get all the way to 1,000. All right, and then YouTube will start promoting our channel a lot more. Okay, great. The channel's growing really quick, guys. Really, really good. All right, so let's wait for Kofi's score on the door. I am up 0.22. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Robinhood still hasn't happened. We will be following that shortly, though. You can betcha. Lions Club. I am a P. Oh, there we go. I am a PDG. I'm Illinois. Thank you so much. 0.04 up. 0.04. I think I'm the winner. I'm a lion here in McKinney. Lovely to have you, Martin. Lovely, lovely stuff. I've been doing I'm actually the face of the annual telethon now for the Lions Club. You remember Jerry Lewis used to do a big telethon? Well, they've now got me doing the annual telethon. We did it last year. We're hoping to raise millions of dollars from my studio, live like this, while I entertain and raise money for the world. So we're very excited about that. So there we go. I'm at 0.18. I am the winner. Get in. I am the winner, everybody. I win today. Give me a round of applause. Oh, yeah. There we go. It's 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. No. Correct. Martin, Kofi won yesterday. I won today. But the reign of Kenneth, the reign of Kenclops, Cyclops is waning. We had Kenneth win every day last week, and he won the week, but not this week. Not this week. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed. Great, everybody. Jonathan Brunette, past district governor. Wonderful, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. Well, did you watch the Helping Hands telethon this year? We did. It was the pilot for the very first Helping Hands telethon to the world, and the past presidents, international, future, and current presidents from Iceland came in, and we did a test pilot, and we raised about $50,000, I think it was, for a test pilot. But next year, February the 14th, the Day of Love and Giving, we are doing it again from my studio, and we're hoping to raise over $1 million where the money goes to the Lions Club from my studio here, where all the presidents, past, future, clubs, over 200 clubs from around the world tune in, and there you go. So Martin, maybe you'd like to get involved with that. It's a big thing. It's a big deal. All right. Okay, guys, we got to go. I'm running late. I've got to get off to do my singing show, as you all know. Jonathan tuned in yesterday. If you want to know what that's all about, he tuned in yesterday for a bit of music. We did New York. So on the main channel here, you go to the Martyn Lucas channel right there. Look, you click on it, and then you go upcoming live streams, and there we are for the Drive Home show. We'll be live there in just a few minutes right now. Okay, I'm going to give it a like. I'm going to like my own video. Boom, there we go. We'll be live in a few minutes' time. So there we go. All right, good stuff. It's nice to know that Martin's a past president, past governor. A lot of my friends are, so that's really nice. I'm glad I found that out about Martin. All right, we got to go. It's now time to end the show. So God bless America. God save the Queen. See you all back in the morning, if not on the Drive show in 20 minutes. Going to be exciting. That Robinhood report is going to make a big difference to our portfolios. So see you in the morning, and let's have a great day. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.